Hey guys, Computertastic here with a completed computer room tour. This is how I decided to set it up now. So yeah, let's get into this tour. And obviously if you hear a little chain jostling or anything like that, just my dog. She's kind of following me around. So this is the setup, pretty streamlined compared to what it was. Obviously there's the chair. And I got quite a bit of space back here. I got a blue wall that hopefully I will do online live broadcast with and do green screen type stuff, but haven't really got around to that. And we got curtains just to kind of cover things up. Obviously the curtains aren't the greatest, I still need to fix those. And again, we got the copier over here, copier, printer, scanner, the whole works. My TV, which is hooked up to my computer. And get closer, I got a keyboard over here that can hook up to my computer. Got the sound bar under the TV. That's a 48-inch TV. Got direct TV in here just in case I get bored and I want to watch some TV, don't want to move. And obviously a nice wooden desk that was in the basement of my house when I got it. Over here we got the Xbox with Mario and a little Hess car on there that is broken, which I don't really use it for anything other than decoration. And obviously back here we got the power strip for the Wi-Fi and controllers and stuff that I don't need that I need on all the time. You also got this controller setup, which is from Insignia. I got it from Best Buy. I got my computer over here, and then we got an HDMI cable. I got a USB Ethernet cable, so that way if I want to use a wired connection on my laptop, since I don't have an Ethernet port, I have to get a USB cable. So I got that hooked up to my Xbox, which all comes down here to my networking setup. Move these cables out of the way. So that's my router right there. The router cable goes down into the basement, which is where my modem is. I got my modem in the basement with the Wi-Fi underneath the living room, so that way I can get better signal on my Wi-Fi in my living room. So I got two routers in this house. Actually, I got three. I got a booster in the garage, but I don't really use that one. And then obviously behind this door, might be a little messy here. And yeah, it is definitely a little messy. We got obviously junk, got camera system which goes up into the attic. That's all my cameras. So nothing really to see there, just a bunch of junk. But that's my junk closet, so I just keep that door closed. Keeps it cool in here. Obviously I do keep the temperature off in here as well, because electronics do better cold. So it is really cold in here, but that's fine. So yeah, overall this is my computer room setup, and there's my dog chasing me around, looking like a little lost puppy dog. So, but yeah, that's my computer room tour. And yeah, let me know your thoughts on my computer room tour. I know it's kind of basic, but in reality it's got a lot of space. There's a lot of potential in here. I still haven't really thought what more I want to do with it, but yeah, that's what I got for a computer room right now, or office, or however you want to call it, because it's kind of both. So yeah, let me know your comments below, and also feel free to like, subscribe, and share. Hope you guys have a great day. Again, I am Computertastic.